Hello and welcome to another video. I am Debbie. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing from one of my favorite companies, and this is Oraloa. And I was just looking on their site. This is a new kit that has just recently been released. And it was really funny because this is from Canada. I ordered it last week and it came in today. So it was less than a week that I ordered it and they shipped it and it's already here. So I was very impressed with that. It also comes in not just this box, but it comes in a very sturdy box. It came in this box. So I was really pleased with that too, because a lot of companies now are just wrapping in trash bags, and that is causing major problems with the canvas. But that was a perfect box, and so I was really excited about that. So let's go ahead and get started. I do like the fact that Oraloa has on their end of their box, they do have a photo and information. So if you put it on your shelf like I do, you can see what it is. This is from Oraloa Rebelle, and it's Rebelle de Louest. I'm assuming if I am incorrect, I'm so sorry. I am very Southern, so I have a hard time with some words. Their box is really pretty. It has all of their insignia on it, and it does tell you that it's diamond painting. Also on the back, if I flip it over here, this gives me more information. It gives me the name of the kit. It also says the size. It's a 50 by 70 and it's a square. I've done a round of theirs, love the rounds. I heard that their squares are fabulous. So I was excited that this was a square. So let's go ahead and get the box open. And I also like the fact that I was looking for something that wasn't just huge, because all of the ones that I have are just so big that I decided that I really need to have a smaller one, and small is relatively speaking. I'm going to take this off the table for just a minute so I can open it. Okay, this box didn't have any problems with it because it wasn't that other sturdy box. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Yep, there it is. That's what I thought. They always put something extra on in their boxes, and so this is inside the brown box. So if you buy something from them, don't forget to check that. I am an affiliate with Oraloa. You can receive 15% off of your order, and that's anytime. It's not just for first timers. And I do have the link below. It comes in a very sturdy plastic wrapping. Sorry for the crinkling. And they also put their toolkit in here. So let's first look at their toolkit and then this, and then we can open the canvas, which I can't wait to see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start on this one. I have several whips, but I have decided enjoy what you want to do. It has just hit me really hard lately, and I thought, you know what, I'm getting older, and if I want to do something, I'm going to do it. So I may have several whips going, and I think I'm fine with that. I may not like it at one point, having so many work in progress, but for now, it's going to work for me. Okay, they give you washi, and this has their washi. It's really cute. It matches the box. If you can see, it also matches this. So that was really cute. I think they do that for every kit now. And you do get blue wax. And make sure you take the plastic off. I think there's 3 in here. Take the plastic off if you use this wax, or you will not be able to put it in your pen, because it does have a cover on it. They also give you some really nice tweezers. These are the very sharpie kind. I love theirs. I don't use the tweezers to put the squares on, but I use those if I need to take something off or move something. Give you a pen with a single placer, a squishy, and then also I think this may be a 6 multi-placer. And those are the nice ones. You get a little boat, and then you get some little goodies here. I'm like fumble fingers today. I don't know what my problem is. One thing, I'm freezing. It is very cold and windy here. And see, I'm just like dropping everything. All right. This is a sticker, or not a sticker, it's just, you could use this as a cover minder if you wanted to. Looks like a Ninja Turtle. And you can just put the magnet on the back, glue it, and you can use that one. And then they give you this Oraloa Hawaiian longboard. That's cute. And these are rhinestones. They're pink rhinestones. It's hard to see in there. It looks silver, but that's the back of them. Then we have this one. This is a sticker, Oraloa. Another sticker. And this is a cover minder. That's pretty. You can use that as a cover minder. It does have the really good magnets on the back. And I am not sure what these two little things are, but that's cute. And then there's another one. And you could even make these into cover minders if you want to. That is not, for some reason it doesn't want to pick that up. So I'm gonna move all this over so we can get to the canvas. And I saw this one, I just went on to look. I shouldn't do that, but I went on to just look at Oraloa to see if they had anything new. And I saw this one and I thought, I just have to have it. And they're coming out with some new ones, I think next week. So that'll be nice too. Oh, I love these colors. Okay, so they do give you a sticker sheet, which is really nice. And then also they give you a photo of the canvas, and I will cut this out and I put that in my logbook, which I need to update desperately. This one has 50 colors. And then they give you this sticker here. It just says Oraloa. So that will be nice whenever I kit up. And they're already pre-cut stickers, so you can just tear them off and then you can use them. This is an instruction book and gives you some information on Oraloa. It comes in English and French, and I'm not sure what else, but it's English and French. Unfortunately, I did not take any foreign languages when I was in high school. I honestly don't even know if they were even offered. I think maybe Spanish was offered, but I didn't have to have it, didn't take it, and now I regret that. I wish that in college I would have taken a French class. My daughter did, and she said it was very difficult. She did that in high school. Oh, how pretty. Look how pretty she is. I cannot wait to do this one. And I don't have anything like this. I mean, absolutely nothing. There's gonna be a lot of color blocking in here, all through there. That's gonna be so nice. I can use my multi-placer. I will probably bling this up. I mean, look at her eyes. That would be really pretty using a quad cube there. It may even come with one. That is just absolutely outstanding. They do have on both sides a schematic on the left as well as on the right, and it says Oraloa up at the top, and it's scalloped edges, so it's not going to fray. At the bottom, it does give you all the information that you need. And then also it says, let your creativity sparkle. That's how you know it's Oraloa. But look at these colors. I cannot wait to kit this up. This is something I'm gonna have to do. You're going to see a kitting up next week. I assure you, you're gonna see a kitting up next week. I wanna see what that one is. That one looks like a 50. That's gonna be, it's gonna be an AB. Interesting. All right, normally I don't open these, but I'm going to be kitting this up. I wanna see the static, because if you've been around and you've been watching me, you've seen I've been fighting static for a while now. Let's see. I'm not going to go through all of these because there's a lot. Let's see how much stack is in here. I will probably have to put dryer sheets in here before I do anything with these because it has a little bit of static there. But those are the AVs. That's really pretty. And there's a yellow AV. If you like to bling up, oh, there's 2 of these. Oh, wow. 2 bags of AVs on this yellow. That's gonna go all around here. If you like to bling up your canvases, let me know what you do. I'd love to hear how you decide on what you're gonna bling up. I'll probably do, I don't know. I guess, and sometimes I'm right and sometimes I just have to redo what I'm doing. Ooh, there's a lot of AVs in here. Look at that. And this is 3836. I wonder if that's in here. I don't see it. 3836. No. I figured it would be in here and you can make your choice. Yeah, it is. I just can't see. Okay, 3856. You can either use the regular drills on this or you can use these. I'm probably going to use these. Let's see, what is it? 3836. It's at the top. It's up in that area there. I will use these. And yes, there is some static. But look at these gorgeous colors. And these do come in baggies. Oh my gosh, look at this. 2 bags of one color, this yellow. This is going to be so much fun. I really cannot wait to get started on this. And this orange. I don't think I've had anything with orange in it. Look how pretty that is. It's going to be over in her feathers at the top there. And on the headband. And this one's really pretty too. I am so excited. I'm going to do a pan over so you can see this, but I think this is absolutely gorgeous. And it's one of the ones, very few that I open up and I have to do it. I cannot wait. I've got to do this one, and this is it. So I'm going to move the colors out of the way. I'm going to pan over so you can see the beauty of this. And it's so straight. I mean, I just rolled it backwards, and you can do that on poured glue. And it's almost straight. Didn't take anything to do for it to straighten out. And I just think this is going to be so pretty. Okay, I'm going to do a pan over, and then I will be right back. Just a beauty. I just love this canvas, the rendering, all the colors, and I cannot wait to get started working on this one. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and also if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. That way when I do kit this one up, you can see the gorgeous colors, and then as I work on my progression of this one, you can see it as well. Thanks so much for joining me today, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.